camera, specs and performance. The ZTE Blade V9 Vita has another perk from higher-end phones, a dual-lens camera. It has a 13MP rear camera with phase detection autofocus, PDAF, right next to another 2MP camera. The combination is supposed to produce better low-light photos. The front-facing camera is 5MP, but interpolated to become an 8MP camera. That means it uses the CPU to fill in the pixels it doesn't see, a bit like upscaling. It's not as good as a camera that can take 8MP photos straight away. It's designed to do the basics with its Snapdragon 435 chipset. You won't be able to run the most intense 3D games without hiccups. But it does come with either 2GB or 3GB of RAM and either 16GB or 32GB of internal storage, region dependent. These specs have historically been enough to do everything average users need to do. Nothing more, nothing less. The Vita has a 3,200 mAh capacity battery that's sizable for a 5.5-inch 720p display. This is going to give you more than all-day battery life, and we look forward to testing it out in a full review. You will have to use a microSD cable to charge. It's not ready for the USB-C future like other phones. The ZTE Blade V9 Vita is a standout budget phone thanks to its trendy 18:9 display that's become popular thanks to higher-end all-screen phones. It's not nearly as stylish as the larger ZTE Blade V9, but it does have a nice size to it, fair performance, and what should be excellent battery life based on the specs. The Vita won't come to every country, but it's going to be a serious competitor where cheap phones are the norm and all-screen phones are still a novelty. This will have a big impact there.